Hi, Mr Wright here. This summer's IGCSE exams are fast approaching. Make sure you're ready to get your best grade by joining one of my live revision sessions. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description. Right, let's get on with today's question. Standard form. Right, first of all, we've got to write 520 million in standard form. Now, 520 million is 520 with 6 zeros. So if I'm going to write that in standard form, I'm going to need to write 5.2 times 10 to the what? Well, I'm putting the decimal point there, and I need to know how many places that red arrow represents. The answer is that it represents 8. So 520 million in standard form is 5.2 times 10 to the 8. Next question. Write this as an ordinary number. Now in this case, you can just put that straight into your calculator and you'll get the answer. 0 point, it's going to be 4 zeros, 8, 7, 9. But if you want to think about that without your calculator, then you know you've got to move the decimal point 5 places to the left to divide the number by 10 5 times. The first time you move the decimal point, it'll hop over the 8, so it'll need 4 more hops. So it's going to be the 4 more hops, 4 zeros, and then the 8, 7, 9. Now part C. Now this is quite a clever question for them to ask, because you won't be able to put this question into your calculator to work out the answer, because your calculator won't be able to cope. So what you need to do with this one is you need to think about it. It's 5 times 10 to the power of 42 times 7 times 10 to the power of minus 180. Now you're used to dealing with things like this. 5x to the power of 42 times 7x to the power of minus 180. If you were doing that one, it would be 35 times x to the power of something. And you'd get that power there by adding those two. So in this case, it's going to be 5 times 7 is 35 times 10 to the power of, and now on my calculator, I'm going to do 42, add minus 180. Gives me 10 to the power minus 138. Now that's looking good, but would only get you 1 mark because this is not in standard form. To be in standard form, you'll need to write that first part as 3.5. So you'll need an extra power of 10 to make up for changing the 35 to a 3.5. So you'll no longer have 10 to the power of minus 138. You'll now have 10 to the power of minus 137, giving yourself an extra power of 10, because of course 138 minus 138 add 1 is minus 137. And there you have it. That's standard form question 4 out of 4. I hope you found that useful, and if you did, hit like, give me some positive feedback, and tell me in the comments, how's your revision going, and is there anything I can do to help you get your best grade this summer? Thanks for watching. See you in the next film.